Hello everybody. Welcome to another edition of Trade Review. Another great trading day today. Boy, the markets have been just extremely good to us, especially the last 2 months or so. And today was just another great day. Overall, this week has been fantastic. I'm up like 13 hours in just the last 3 days. Monday was like a nice 6-hour day. Tuesday was a nice 3-hour day, and today is another nice 3-hour day. I took a couple trades today. I took 3 trades today. 2 worked and 1 did not work. So let's go over all 3 of those trades and see how they panned out. So the first trade for me today was VRX. All right, VRX was the first trade for me today. This one I posted at 8:48 before the market even opened, and you guys can see it here. Posted at 8:48 before the market even opened to watch this stock as a long trade. And then, as you guys can see here, the stock pulled back. It went up strong in the morning, pulled right back down into the VWAP, and this is a setup that I teach, which is known as the FVP. And we ended up buying this dip right here at 13.34, putting our stop loss at 13.24, and then we ended up this stock just ended up moving much higher, and we made some really nice money on this trade on the VRX long position. Again, this was posted in the chat room. This was called on the microphone. I traded it live. I also posted in the room. It's a great, fantastic trade. This trade also made it to our swing trading newsletter, which is also looking great. Again, the setup was just buying a pullback in a strong stock into the VWAP, known as the FVP setup. And you can notice the daily chart. Look what's happening on the daily chart. You're breaking above this pennant, and what's also happening is a 3-bar play on the daily chart of VRX. So that was a great trade for us today. Here's a trade that didn't actually work out. I ended up losing money on this trade. So VRX made about 2,000 bucks or so in the trade. Adobe actually ended up losing $1,000 today. So this one, let's zoom in a little bit. So this one, I saw a strong move off the open, right? And then when it pulled back, again, I tried buying this pullback, and it was a great entry. It put in this green bar after I got in, but then couldn't really continue higher and ended up stopping me out for a full loss. I like the daily chart quite a bit. That's why I wanted to play it long. Daily chart gapped up above resistance, was looking great. That was my initial thought process of playing this long, but it didn't end up working out. So I ended up losing money on this trade. But again, VRX made twice what I lost on this trade, bringing me to positive for the day. But here's the trade that got me up really nicely for the day, which was a PayPal. Again, you guys can take a look at my stock tweets and Twitter at Delta90, which is all spelled out DELTANINETY. I even posted both these trades, the VRX and the PayPal, on my Twitter before I got in. So PayPal today, I just took this one. Again, I like the daily chart clearing resistance. Next resistance levels is all the way up in here. So I took this long right off the bat in the morning, right here, $53 with a stop loss at 52.84. It triggered me in, popped up, right? I got into the stock and then it came right back down, but then it ended up holding my stop loss and then moving up higher. And as it moved up higher, right into this extension, I took my profits right here. Great exit on PayPal. So that was the entry. This setup was known as a 1-minute flash setup that we also teach. We took this setup long, and then we basically just rode it higher until we got our target right here. 53.35 was where the target was taken. So all these trades were again posted in the chat room, and also I was on the microphone today trading live, and I call all these trades long as well. So again, just to recap, PayPal 1-minute flash setup. Adobe was a FVP pullback after strong stock into the VWAP. This one didn't work out, but then VRX ended up working out. So overall, a fantastic day here. Made about 2,000 bucks on VRX and made about $2,000 or so on PayPal, and then ended up losing about 1,000 on Adobe, ending the day up about pretty much the same as what I did yesterday. Yesterday was another, $3,000 day, but overall this week has been on fire, right? On fire, and I hope it continues. So on that note, just a quick short little video here today. If you guys want to check us out, come join us at livetraders.com. If you have not yet checked us out, hey, take a trial, come say hi and see if that's something that you want to get into. We specialize in trading the market open, so we're basically trading the first hour or so, making our money, and then doing the rest of the things like swing trading, forex trading, or playing golf, whatever you like. And that's what we specialize on. And if you have checked us out before, maybe you were in the room previously, hey, come join us again, come say hi. All right, so on that note, take care everybody. I hope you guys had a great week as well. Take care. Bye bye.